There's nothing more cool than being hugged by someone you like.
I could use some help here.
I'm all over it. Over it. Boss. So.
Knuckles Nidna, my arch. You never learn, do. You'll never defeat my team.
We're a team. We should get matching.
Now, if you'll excuse me, the grown-ups have some do. Do.
That was the worst disaster imaginable.
Yeah! Kill it! Yeah!
Calm down. It's wise. No, just Knuckles.
Oh, kill Knuckles! Yeah!
Cool, Nux.
Oh, sweet Amy, you're delicious.
Nice, Nux.
And impressive.
Nux.
You've been taking
Nux.
Hey, guys.
Hey, wake up! Shut up!
Say again. Who's the beefcake?
We need to figure out how to tell them apart. I know. Our Knuckles can wear something to distinguish himself. But which one's our Knuckles?
What does your delicious mean? No way! I'm delicious. I'd be honored to wear your delicious hat, my dear.
He may look like Knuckles, but he sure doesn't talk.
Hey, I talk.
There's a perfectly rational explanation for this. Sailor's machine will spell into Shire Wheel River. Sailor's machine will spell into Shire Wheel River.
Worry not, young tails. Be delicious. Whoa, I sound like a fortune cookie. There's only one person smart enough to unravel this enigma.
Welcome to that burger. Could I take your order? That burger.
Dave!
I'm sorry, we're all out of that. May I recommend the sandwich?
What's going on here? Everyone seems to be the opposite of their normal selves.
I think I understand what's happening. They say it's available for a limited time to create a false demand.
That's how they get ya.
This guy is from another dimension.
Another dimension? You mean with another dimension? Duplicates of another dimension?
What if another one of me shows up? And trust me,
For years, a mirror dimension exists parallel to our own.
Guys. By whom?
Theorized by the two Knuckleses. One is smart, sophisticated, charming, likable, and a born leader. And the other one thought I was smart, sophisticated, charming, likable, and a born leader.
so how do we send him back?
Silly Hat Knuckles, what's the last thing you remember?
Boy, the two dimensions really aren't that different.
I'll need some time to experiment so that I can replicate the beam frequencies.
Forget that. If the Eggman of my dimension had the technology to send me here...
Great idea! Let's go ask Eggman.
Let's take it. Stay it still. Let's take it. Stay it still. Let's take it. Better to ask. Let's do this. Follow me, team.
We're not aggressors. Tails will figure this out. We need to be patient.
You can sit on the sidelines if you want, but you can sit on the sidelines if you want, but I'm taking action. I'm taking action. I'm taking action. I'm fine, guys, I swear.
I hate it when he does that.
This must be tied to the other Knuckles. Having two of you in the same dimension is causing a catastrophic anomaly.
Tails, chill me, please. Okay, Tails, keep working on your... Amy, Styx, and I are going to Eggman's lair to bring back... Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, everyone ready to put the punish guy in the nail?
Yeah!
I'm busy. Hey, you're my prisoner. You.
He nail.
Imagine the look on Sonic's face when he sees I have unwrapped.
You don't have to imagine Egg. Hey, Harry.
Well, that was a bit of a letdown. I was expecting a bigger reaction. Maybe, perhaps even a little... You not... Anywho, Motobugs, attack!